Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Yazan Ghamdi. Today I'm going to talk about the multi-component flash distillation, in particular how we derive the Rachford-Rice equation. So first of all, we have here the flash distillation for multi-components. So we are going to do a components material balance. Components material balance is FZI, which is the most volatile component, equal to VYI, which is the vapor, plus LXI, which is the liquid. And from thermodynamics, we know that Ki equal to Yi over Xi. So Yi is equal to Ki multiplied by the Xi. We are gonna use this formula, converted formula in thermodynamics, and put it here in the components material balance. So the equation will become FZI equal to VKIXI plus LXI. And now we are gonna write it in terms of XI common factor, L plus VKI equal to FZI. So XI equal to FZI divided by L plus VKI. As we see here, we are gonna do now the overall mass balance. Why? Because we want the parameter V over F for the Rachford-Rice equation. So from the overall mass balance, F equal to L plus V, and then we are gonna continue. So Xi equal to FZI divided by F minus V plus VKI. Now we are gonna divide by F so that we can get the V over F. So we are gonna divide the numerator and the denominator to be consistent with the same amounts. So divided F by F, Zi is remaining, and in the denominator 1 minus V over F plus V over F Ki. V over F as a common factor become Zi over 1 plus Ki minus 1 multiplied by the V over F. So that's it. Now for the Yi, it is the same but multiplied by Ki again, the same formula in the thermodynamics. So Yi equal to KIZI over 1 plus Ki minus 1 V over F. And we know from CHE 200 that the total liquid composition is equal to 1. And also the total vapor composition is equal to 1. So total Y composition minus total XI composition, the sum of all of them will equal to what? To 0. And that's what we're gonna do to get the Rachford equation. So we are gonna use these two amounts, and then Ki Zi over 1 plus Ki minus 1 V over F minus, and now with the X V over F equal to 0. that's it. We see here the denominator. We can now minus these two amounts, k minus 1 zi divided by 1 plus ki minus 1 v over f equal to 0, I equal 1 to c, and that's it. This is the Rachford-Rice equation. Thank you for listening and following me, and good night.